Once in a small village surrounded by dense forests, lived a little girl named Maya. Despite her petite frame and tender age of 7, Maya was known for her courageous heart. One evening, as the village prepared for a festival, a sudden news spread. A young deer had been caught in a hunter's trap deep in the forest. While adults hesitated, fearing the dark and the wild animals, Maya felt a surge of determination. She remembered how her father always said, "Bravery is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it." Clutching a lantern and a rope, she ventured into the forest alone. The trees whispered eerie sounds, and shadows danced in the lantern's glow. But Maya pressed on. After what seemed like hours, she found the deer, its leg ensnared in a cruel trap. With gentle hands and a calm voice, she soothed the frightened creature and carefully released it from the trap. As dawn broke, Maya returned to the village with the deer limping beside her. The villagers, amazed by her bravery, celebrated her as a hero. From that day on, Maya's story became a legend, reminding everyone that true bravery comes in all sizes.